Video is on solving simultaneous equation using elimination method. Solve the simultaneous equations 2x plus 5y equals to 1 and 3x minus 2y equals to 30. Let's write the equation. 2x plus 5y equals to 1. Let's call this equation 1. 3x minus 2y equals to 30. We call this equation 2. To eliminate one of the unknowns, you look at, we have two unknowns, x and y. Now you look at the coefficient now. Which one would you like to eliminate? Let's say we eliminate x. The coefficient of x here in equation 1 is 2 and that of equation 2 is 3. So let's look at what we will do so that we get this coefficient to be the same. Let's multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. So you can write it out here. This is by 3. 2x plus 5y equals to 1. This is by 2. 3x minus 2y equals to 30. So we multiply now. This will give us this 6x plus 15y equals to 3. Here, 2 times the whole of this 6x minus 4y equals to 60. We can eliminate now. 6 minus 6, let's use subtraction because of the positive sign. 6 minus 6 will give us 0. We have 15 minus 4y, that will give us 19. Y. This is 3 minus 60 will give us minus 57. So divide both sides by the coefficient of y, that is 19, as to make y the subject of the formula. So you have 19y divided by 19 equals to minus 57 divided by 19. So y equals to minus 57 divided by 19 will give us minus 3. Now to obtain the second unknown, you substitute minus 3 for y in either equation 1 or 2. Let me use equation 1. And now recall equation 1. So I have 2x plus 5y equals to 1. Let's substitute for y now. So 2x plus, here you now put minus 3. This is minus 3 equals to 1. So 2x, 5 times minus 3 will give us minus 15 equals to 1. Collect like terms. At this 2x now equals to 1. This to this you have plus 15. So 2x equals to 16. Now divide both sides by x or by 2. You have this divided by this. So x equals to 8. So your answer now is y equals to minus 3 and x equals to 8. This solves the simultaneous equation.